If you have questions about any functions, you can use our online help. The quickest and easiest way is to press F12. You can see on your cursor appears a little question mark. Now you can click on any function you're interested in, for example,
modify, element shape, reshape.
And you will get directly to the online help. You can find a lot of information and examples about the functions in here. And you can also see explanations about the other functions in the menu on the left. If you need more detailed information, you can use the online manual. You can find it in the red menu of your Start Assist bar. And it's called Doc Assist, the symbol with the book. Go to 2D-CAD, 2D-CAD manuals, and CAD Assist Expert Manual. With a click on this button on the left, the manual opens. You can use Ctrl F to search for a function. And the system filters all the words in the manual. If you move your cursor on the function in the index, you can see a little hand appears on your cursor position, and with a left click, you can get directly to the side where the function is explained.